Hello friend, in today's lesson we will learn about function annotations. To define a function, these function annotations are completely optional metadata information about the types. So basically these function annotations are dealing with types of information, and all those annotations are stored in a double underscore annotation double underscore attribute of the function. So if you want to see the what are the annotations of a function, then we have to call this attribute of the particular function, and the annotations is stored in a dictionary form, and these annotations have no effect on any part of the function. Let's go to define a particular function with annotations. Suppose here I am defining a function f, and let the two argument here x comma y, and we want to give the annotation, that means the type associated of this particular two argument. So how to give annotation? Here parameter annotations are defined by a colon after the parameter name. Suppose this is the parameter, and after that suppose this is a int type, okay, and then say similarly after colon you have to put the, let this is a float type. So these are the annotation we defined. Now if I want to print the annotation, simply print the function name. What is the function name? F, and which attribute stored the annotation part? This attribute, okay. Let's write it, double underscore annotations, okay, annotations. Now after that return, suppose I want the addition part, let's return is x plus y, okay. Let's give a relevant name. Let's suppose this is an addition function, and here I am changing the name to add, okay. Now let's execute this line of, let's define this function, okay. So this is the function definition part. So now if I call the function add and passing two argument 3, 5, so what it will result? It will first print the annotation part and return 7, okay. Yes, so this is the annotation part, and what is return value? 3 plus 5, 8. But here we are not dealing the type of return value in our annotation part, so we only have the types of parameter part in our annotation. Suppose we want to add the annotation part of our return value, then how we will do the return annotation? Look here, the return annotations are defined by a literal. This symbol is helpful to define a return annotation. So here you can followed by an expression between the parameter list and the colon denoting the end of it. So this is the end of statement. Between the parameter list and the colon you have to put here. So let what is the output? Let it be int, okay. Now let's execute this code again, okay. So I am executing this line. Now if I execute this add, this will return here x class, y class, and also it will add another class, return class, and return, and the this will printable, and the return value will 8. So look, x the its class, and y its type, and return its type. So 3 type, both parameter type and return type are present in our annotation. Thank you.